MW Industries specializes in rapid prototyping and design assistance to get you the speed to market that you need. Contacting us is if they have the basic concept of the outer inner dimensions. If you have those basic dimensions, that is best for us to come in and recommend a design. And of course, from there, we work with the engineers to optimize the design. The engineer at the customer reviews it, and from there they may have some feedback for us. Then what we do is then optimize that design for them, and from there we move to the prototype stages. We have more engineering expertise in this field. We have specialized equipment from squareness under load testing to 3D vision systems that measure perpendicularity and parallelism. Engineers are skilled in spring design, industrial engineering, material selection, and corrosion finishes to help solve product developmental challenges. Involving our engineers at the developmental stages of your product could save time and money in production.